Adding captions to your videos like this should not cost you $1. But right now, so many video editing apps either charge you or slap watermark on your video, or both. But that ends today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you free mobile apps you can use to generate professional captions and very easy to use. I will show you each one and exactly how to use them. Let's get started. If you have been in content creation space for a very long time, you already know this name. Adobe Premiere is one of the most powerful and professional video editing tools in the world. Start by downloading Adobe Premiere from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to get set up. To create a project, tap New Blank Project to open your timeline. Inside your timeline, tap Video and Image to upload the video you want to caption. Once your video is in, tap here to select your video aspect ratio, depending on where you are posting, whether that is for YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Make sure your video is not selected, then tap Text and Caption. From there, select your video language. This is what makes the caption more accurate. Then tap Create Caption. The app will now automatically generate your captions. Once your captions are ready, tap Style to customize how they look. From there, tap Font to change your text font. Tap Color to change your caption color, and you can even create a completely customized color to match your brand. Then tap Layout to adjust where your captions appear on the screen. When you are happy with everything, tap Export. Go into Export Settings, choose your resolution and hit Export, and just like that, your video is captioned. Now, this one is special because it comes directly from Instagram itself. What makes it stand out is how simple and fast it is. Download Instagram Edit from App Store or Google Play Store and open it up. Tap the plus icon to import your video project. Now, one thing to know about this app is that it does not have an automatic aspect ratio option because it is built specifically for Reels format. So what you want to do is to use your finger to pinch and zoom your video until it fits the screen perfectly. While your video is not selected, tap CC, which stands for caption. The app will automatically generate your caption right away. Once your captions appear, tap on the generated text and you will see several customization options. Tap Style to change your text style, just like we did in the previous app. Tap the font option to switch up your font. Then tap Color to change your caption color to whatever fits your brand or content. Go through each of the available options and adjust your text exactly the way you want it. And if you need to correct anything or word in your caption, tap the pencil icon to edit your text manually. When everything looks good, tap the 2K button to select your video resolution. Tap Next and wait for it to load. Then tap Download. Now, if you want to go deeper into Instagram Edit and learn how to use it for full video editing, I have made a full tutorial on it. I will leave the link above here, or you can check this video description. And the third app is InShot. Millions of creators use it daily. Open the InShot app and tap Video. Select your project from your gallery and import it. Now, here is something unique about InShot. When you bring your video in, you will notice they place their logo watermark on your project. They actually gave us a free way to remove it by tapping on their logo watermark, then tap Free Remove. This will play an ad, and once the ad is done playing, InShot rewards you by removing their watermark completely. And honestly, this is smart business. Now tap on your project, scroll along the toolbar till you find text. Tap on it and then tap Caption. Select your preferred text template from the options available, then tap Auto Detect and choose your video language so the app can generate accurate caption. You can also see an option to add an extra language if you want to translate your caption for a different audience entirely, or if you want your caption to be translated into 2 languages. For me, this is a very powerful feature for anyone creating content for multiple regions. For this example, I'm going with French. Once you are done, tap Start. And for us to be able to generate this caption, we need to watch another short ad because we did not pay for the Pro. Once you are done watching the ad, your captions are ready. Tap the pencil icon to edit and adjust your captions manually. From here, you can change the template, change the color, change the font, and even add caption animation to make your text pop on the screen. Basically, make it look exactly the way you want it. Once you are happy with everything, tap the export icon, Select your resolution and tap Save. And boom, your video is captioned. The next app is going to shock a lot of you. The app is called Canva. Now I know what you are thinking. Canva? Exactly. This is a design tool. Yes, it is. But let me show you something most people do not know. Canva has evolved into a full creative platform, and you can now use it to edit both long and short form videos. Open Canva and make sure you are on Create tab. Tap Video and select your video aspect ratio depending on where you are posting your content to. Next, tap Upload and import your video from your gallery. Once it is uploaded, tap on the video and it will be automatically added to your timeline. Now, tap Text and then tap Captions. You will see a selection of caption templates to choose from. Pick the one that matches your style or content. Under the Apply Caption tool, drop down arrow, make sure you select all video so your captions cover the entire video and not just one section. Then tap Generate Caption and let Canva do its work. Once your captions are generated, go ahead and customize them. Change the font, adjust the color, change the alignment, and position everything exactly where you want it on the screen. When you are satisfied with how everything looks, tap the download icon at the top right corner. Tap Download again, and here is a very important step. Make sure you select the MP4 option. This ensures your project saves as video file and not an image. Then tap Download and your captioned video will be ready. The fifth app is Auto Caption, and honestly the name says everything you need to know. Download the Auto Caption from the App Store or Play Store and open it up. Tap the plus icon to start a new project. Select your video from your gallery and choose your aspect ratio based on where you are posting it. Now, while your video is not selected, tap Captions. A prompt will appear on your screen. Read through and tap Allow to continue. Tap the drop-down arrow and select your video language so the app generates accurate caption for your content. Then tap Generate Caption and let the app do its thing. Once your captions are ready, tap Style and start customizing. Change the color, adjust the font, and make it look exactly the way you want it. If any words need to be corrected, tap the pencil icon to edit your text manually. Once you are happy with everything, tap Export. Now here is something important I want you to know before you use this app. On the free plan, you can only export at 720p resolution. If you need a higher resolution like 180 and above, you will need to upgrade to their paid plan. For most social media content, 720 is still acceptable. Select 720, tap Save, and your caption video is ready to post. TikTok is a social media platform, but did you know that there is a full video editing application hidden inside the app? You can generate captions, edit your videos, and save it directly to your phone without TikTok watermark. Tap the app and open it up. Once you are in the app, tap the plus icon at the bottom of your profile screen. From there, tap Upload to select the video from your gallery or record directly if you prefer. Then tap the Edit icon to enter the full editing interface. Now, since TikTok is designed for short vertical videos, I will pinch the screen with 2 fingers and zoom in to fit the right size for my content. While your video is not selected, tap Captions. Select your language from the options available, and just like that, your caption will be automatically generated for you. Tap the check icon to confirm. Then tap Style and start customizing your text the way you want. Tap Format to adjust your text alignment. Now here is a feature I really like. Tap Remove Filter Words to clean up unnecessary words or filter text that the app picked up. That keeps your caption clean and professional. Once everything looks good, tap the arrow to proceed. Tap More option. Make sure you turn on Save to Device and turn off Save with Watermark. Then tap Post. Now after it posts, go to your TikTok profile and delete that video. Then go to your phone gallery and look at what is waiting for you there. Your beautifully captioned video. Clean, no watermark, completely free. Save right to your phone. Amazing, right? Did you already know about this trick, or did I just blow your mind? Drop it in the comments right now because I want to know. And that's it. 6 complete mobile free apps you can use to caption your videos right away. Now tell me, which of these apps surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If this video helped you, smash that like button because it helps more creators find this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on all post notification, and you can also check this video right here for free video editing application you can use to edit your videos. Bye!